Okay. And I also have my ex with me as well. He's right here. And even though we love each other, we just can't get along anymore. He's like a jerk. He's a huge jerk. And I really wanted things to work out, but he's just too mean to me. Like, he never wants to get along, so I had to go to Prince Charming, even though I would always, you know, I always be sad about things not working out with my ex. So yeah. I even picked up this toy at the gas station, and like, she has my mermaid tail. I also, as well, besides being a fairy princess, I'm also a mermaid princess. So I'm a fairy mermaid princess, like from Barbie, like Mertopia. And I'm not a fake one or a delusional one. I'm a real one. So, hi, nice to meet you. You can trip fucking balls because interdimensional people exist. And this is what my tail looks like when I was a mermaid and I made love to the prince. And I thought it was so cute because she has my tail. This is what I have, a short, chubby tail, and with like a little pink fin. And I sat down on the ground like her. And in my dream, she didn't have a heart. There was like a giant shell with a pearl in it. And I love it. And so, yeah, that concludes today's toy haul and stuff. Oh wait, no, wait, I got one more thing. Okay, I've got another Disney toy, and it's a door. It's called Disney Doorables or some shit. And it's an Ariel one. So there's supposed to be like a toy inside. And I have to see who it is. I don't know, I'm gonna get this this open. I know I'm doing a toy haul and it's supposed to be like a thing for kids and stuff. But you know, adults can like toys too, okay? They don't always just have to like makeup and stuff, okay? Oh my god, never. Alright. I do have a toy box that I plan on collecting more toys in. That's like a big old toy box. Ah, it's so cute. Yeah. Okay. That's her little house. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, I'm putting this on my windowsill. And there's a little door. It opens like that. Okay. I'm gonna put the coral on top, I think. Okay, the coral goes on top. Alright. That's the house. And this is the pamphlet. And I'm supposed to get Ariel in a particular dress or style. And these are all the ones that you can collect. All the mini Disney characters. Okay. It has more on the back. And I ended up getting a limited edition one. So if I get anything, it'll be one of these. And I have a feeling I might get Flounder, or the Crab, or Ariel, or maybe her. Who knows? Let's see what I got. Surprise figure inside. And it comes with like a tiny little door. It's like a tiny house. And it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. A tiny little house. And it windows so they can breathe and have sunlight. Yeah. Let's see. I'll open this. Bless it. Oh, it's so cute. It came with a tiny shell. Okay, a tiny clam with a tiny pearl in it. And you can close it. It's so cute. And a stand. Okay, let's see who's in there. Oh, it's so smaller than I thought. Oh no. Oh, it's so cute. I know you guys probably wanted me to get Ariel, but no, I got the bad bitch. I got Ursula. A cute Ursula. And her eyes can like kind of turn, like an effect. And she's really, really tiny. How tiny she is. Okay. Just knock that down. And put her on the stand. She's got a tiny squid body. You can't really see it well on the camera because I should be using a better camera. But her body's like tiny. Oh, her body's a tiny squid, and it's really cute. I mean, a tiny octopus. Sorry. Almost everything's falling apart. Okay, I put her on this thingy. It's taking forever. I don't know what's taking forever. Oh. Okay, I guess I have to put her in here. When you take her out, you can put her on the stand. Yeah. It's so cute. And she's like, goodbye, everybody. I'll go away. And then it comes with a gift of a tiny shell. And it's the cutest little thing I've ever had. I don't regret buying this. I love it. Oh boy. Oh boy. So I didn't buy any more toys after that. I just ended up buying some like stuff like, for my health. I bought some original Vaseline. I do not like the cocoa butter Vaseline because I don't know. I just wanted to try this one out, I guess. I use cocoa butter a lot. And then I bought these mints right here. And, well, I mean, I don't know if they're gum or mints. I'm not used to using, like, mouthwash or gum or mints and stuff. I don't know. Because, I never really had that much of a problem with my teeth. But yeah, like, I'm trying to combat my breath. Because I do get bad breath these days. Like, no matter how much I brush my teeth. And, I wasn't using mouthwash. And nobody ever told me how good it was for your teeth. So I never ended up getting any mouthwash going up. I had to buy my own bottle. And, I will say that I recommend it to everybody that has bad breath. Okay, you wake up in the morning with stanky breath, you need some fucking mouthwash. Okay, this is my sister. That's Lolly Trees.
No,
what do you got to say?
Not anymore.
Oh, she's not Lolly Trees anymore. She changed her name. Carrie, what did you change your name to?
Kira Kitten.
Okay, her new name is Kira Kitten. So yeah, and the last thing that I bought are these eyelashes from Kiss, and this is called Belle. My middle name is Isabella, so I know they're gonna look good. And then I got these, and they're called Eris. And I always love eyelashes that have like the spaces in between them, and then they're mink styled. Because they look amazing on me. They look like celebrity lashes or some shit. But yes, that concludes today's haul. Oh yeah. Besides this cat food, I bought all this cat food for my cats. If you wonder how to get your cats fat, you buy this. You buy this box of canned cat food. And if you buy this at Walmart, it will cost you $12. Okay? But if you want to get it for cheaper, you go to Family Dollar and it will cost you like almost half the price. You can get this for $5, okay? And you can get the Purina Friskies for like $7. And so, yeah, I never buy these at Walmart. It's just a waste of your money. It's for Bob. So, yeah, that's why I like going to Family Dollar. Besides buying some necessities that I need that I don't want to buy at the drugstore. And then I bought these sponges too, because my face doesn't really care what brand of sponge I'm using. My face just enjoys the sponges like these, you know. It just does. It doesn't really matter. But I don't know. I don't really like how tiny these are. Maybe for like around the eyes if you're doing a touch up. But I like these for like the foundations. And yeah. I bought some makeup as well. Besides this crown, I bought this crown from the Family Dollar. Oh fuck, that one. Everything just falls apart. Yeah. I did get some makeup stuff at Family Dollar the other day. And I got this eyelash glue. It's a black one. And I like using the black one because I don't use eyeliner and this really fills up the spaces that I need filled up. I got this black nail polish. And you put one coat and it dries really fast. If you use black nail polish and you don't have a light, try just putting one coat on and let that dry. Because if you put double coats, you're probably going to fuck it up. And you need to wait an hour for the first coat to kind of dry. And then you can apply the second coat like an hour later. And I got this concealer. And it works kind of like it's a thick foundation. Like, it's not full coverage, but it feels really good on my skin. Like, if I need something. And it's cute. It's cute. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup all the time. And that's just for, like, if I don't want to waste up my foundation or something. And I have this, too. I have it in ivory. It was at the Family Dollar. And I needed some more foundation. And yeah. That's about it. Besides this thing. I like this because if I want to go goth, I just put this all over my skin. If I want to have a lighter complexion. If I want to look pale, more pale for my goth looks and stuff, because I've thought about using clown white and stuff, but there's this one brand of clown paint, of white clown paint, and it comes with it has talc in it, and I don't want to use that. It makes me scared, so I just like to use this. And it's like $4, and it used to be $150, but I think they figured out that it's a really good like dress up makeup, so they charged it higher. Whatever. But yeah, that concludes today's haul and stuff. I plan to do more hauls and more clothing hauls and like fashion hauls and stuff. And I will be uploading more videos for my paranormal pizza series of all my ghost stories and paranormal experiences, demonic experiences, an insane story of my life, of things that I went through the past 4 years that changed my whole life. And it's taken me a while to really get shit together, because I'm still going through it. I'm still going through the gigs, and I'm getting my shit together and ready to shoot my series. So in between here and there, I'm gonna upload like quick like little hauls and shit like that, because I don't want to be buying this stuff and then I've got no friends. I've got nobody to show it to. You know, I want to enjoy my stuff and not feel so alone doing so. So I'm going to try and attempt uploading more and being more active on my channel. So you can click subscribe and stuff, because I'm not leaving. I'm going to be here. Thanks for watching. Thank you. And I'll try to put together some really good stuff for my channel to make it more entertaining. So yeah, click like, and thanks for spending time with me. You know, I'll probably even do mukbangs as well, like Trisha. I'm just like, we can eat together. And it'll be nice. Do all sorts of stuff, or whatever. You know, just hang out and stuff. Yeah. I'll be back soon. So, let's see you guys. I'll be back. Until next time on Oracle Pizza. Pizza out.